Hey, eighth grade math. Catlin here with your cool down, just breaking it down real quick for you. This was a really easy one, but make sure that you're explaining your reasoning. And I'm going to take off points if you're not giving a good explanation. So you got to have a yes or no and then a sentence here. Is triangle B a rotation of triangle A? So patty paper is helpful here, but if you take this point right here and you start spinning it and you stop on the point that it corresponds, like right here, you're going to notice that you're still going to have this pointing that way. So, rotating it that amount is not going to land right on it. It's actually being flipped. So this is not a rotation. If you spin it around, you're going to notice it's not going to land on it. It doesn't work. So you want to say no for this. And the reason why it doesn't work is because that little dotted line there, the L, it's being reflected over that line. Like this point right here is getting thrown straight over there. Of course, that point's on it, and this point right here is getting thrown straight over there. So you can see how they're reflected the same distance. This distance, we'll call it A, is the same as this distance right here. We can call it B. And this distance C is the same as D, which is right here. So it's just getting thrown straight across. So you need to have something, no, of course, it's not a rotation. And your reasoning could be something along the lines of, these two triangles are reflections over line L, not a rotation. Something along that. But you need an explanation. You could also say when it rotates, the corresponding points don't land on each other. That would be another thing that you could write. Okay. So make sure that you have your own explanation. And I'm going to be reading those when I grade it. If it doesn't make sense, you're going to lose points there, probably 5 points on your homework, which can add up if you do that over and over. Y'all have a good one. See ya.